A moment to recap the key points we've discussed. Chronic diseases, the long-term health conditions that require ongoing management, are a major global health challenge. AI and IoMT, that's artificial intelligence and the Internet of Medical Things, are transforming how we deal with these conditions. They're making healthcare more personalized, more accessible, and more efficient. AI is enabling healthcare providers to predict, diagnose, and treat chronic diseases more accurately. It's helping them to identify patterns and trends in patient data, which can lead to early detection and intervention. In the future, we can expect AI to become even more advanced with machine learning algorithms that can analyze complex medical data and make accurate predictions about a patient's health. IoMT, on the other hand, is all about connected medical devices. These devices are collecting real-time data about patients' health, allowing doctors to monitor their condition remotely and intervene when necessary. As the technology evolves, we can look forward to a future where patients can manage their conditions from the comfort of their own homes, with devices that can even deliver treatments remotely. However, these advancements also come with challenges. There are significant issues around data privacy and security that need to be addressed. And while AI and IoMT can make healthcare more accessible, we also need to ensure that these technologies don't widen health disparities. It's crucial that all patients, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status, have access to these technologies. The implications of AI and IoMT for patients, healthcare providers, and the healthcare system are profound. For patients, these technologies can lead to better health outcomes and improved quality of life. For healthcare providers, they can make care delivery more efficient and effective. And for the healthcare system as a whole, they can help to reduce costs and improve population health. The future of chronic disease management is here, and it's powered by AI and IoMT. Are you ready for